My name is Shania. Today I created a fun quiz master game for kids using PictoBlox. This is my DIY project for Session 2 International Teachers Training Program conducted by Stempedia. So today I make a small Python program where kids can answer fun quiz questions and the game tells them their score with message. So it's I named it Python Quiz Master Game. Here comes the learning outcome. I explained I kept this in details so you can check it out later. Let me quickly get into the code. This is code I have done in PictoBlox using Python editor. PictoBlox is a great way to learn, teach coding, great platform. So let me run this program using terminal. So here comes message like quiz master challenge, answer 4 questions. Here I kept 4 questions only. You can add any number of questions, any type of questions. This is a great way to integrate ICT with any other subject. Based on the subject, you can answer. Add the questions. Here, question number 1. What is 3 by 4? I write it down, the answer. It will ask type your answer and press the enter key. So, next question. How many colors in the rainbow? I write the answer. Capital of France, Paris. I get very easy questions. You can add as per your need. It's a great way to educators can customize as per their need. So it's calculating score, then final score 4 out of 4. So it comes the message perfect score gives master champion. So here comes the code. I used list Python. Sorry, I used a list tuples and for loop all the concepts we learned during this training session. Firstly, I import random and time class. Then I this random we already learned during the training for shuffling the questions. Here I used it for shuffling the questions. Here comes a function. Here comes a question. I added this list. Inside the list, it's tuple. So I make it inside the tuple. Why? Because list tuples are immutable, so we cannot change it or we cannot change anything on the later. So it's like a question. What's a 3 by 4? And its answer question answer. So inside list there's a tuple, then here comes the shuffling the question score, here comes some commands, then comes for loop. Here it will goes through that list, then it will type the first question here, then it will ask for the user input. So based on the user input, it will check the user input along with the correct answer, and if it is correct, it will increase the score. If wrong, it will say it's wrong, and it will give you the correct answer also. Here comes some delays for the coding. For loop, here again, if conditions are used, it will check score along with the length if both are same, because here I get 4 questions. So if it is a and score is 4, there's 4 out of 4, then it's perfect square. Else half or more, then it will display good job. If it is more less than half, it will simply give the message nice try kid. Okay, thank you. That's it. Thank you all. Happy coding.